Yo, I'm gonna be showing out today. Hey. Ooh, yeah. You be my blood, yeah. You be my blood, Yo, what's happening, my Shaded Atuas? We're back at it again with another Shaded Vlog, Shaded Adventures, and we are here
at Pacifica Bay.
Oh, Pacifica Bay. So yeah, as you saw in the intro, we went through Ngunguru. Beautiful, man. They showing out, and we're on our way to Whangaumu, and we actually, I was like, yo, it's misty out there, man. I gotta get me some drone shots real quick. So some drone shots. The honey kicking out of the back. Yeah, peep it out. Pretty night here, huh? So yeah, we can't. Well, we try to come out to watch the sunrise, eh, baby? We slept in. Not only that, your boy gets like really distracted, man. So like on our way here, you know, as you see, Ngunguru, you know, was over there real quick, just doing some shots, and then we were like, let's head over to Whangaumu. Oh, it's night here, over here, you know. So your boy gets distracted, but let's go to Whangaumu. Alright, we're on our way to Whangaumu. Let's go. Yo, so we here. Look at this one, just chilling out in the back there.
Cozy.
She does look cozy.
Cozy.
No cap. Yo, honey, what's one thing you can do better than anybody else?
Be myself.
What's that?
Be myself.
Facts. No cap. One thing you can do better than anybody else is what, baby?
Be yourself. 100. Like, even if people might, who cares what people think? If they think, man, she does like weird stuff, and I'm being myself.
Yeah, nobody else can be as weird as me. Hey, but yeah, just be yourself, man. We here in Whangaumu, so yeah, we actually today we came out to try and watch the sunrise, and Whangaumu is not the place, let me tell you. But you know, Bebe was trying to say that, you know, she said, nah, it doesn't rise over there, but I actually wanted to do some shots. So, but as you can see, tide's up and can't get around that bend there. So yeah, just wanted to elaborate on that korero there, man. Just be yourself, because if you remember, this is actually when we started our first Shaded vlog, Shaded Adventures. So, and we was talking about being selfish, because I can't stress that enough, you know what I'm saying? Be selfish, man. We Atua, want to create, want to manifest. Whatever you're into, there's a profession for it. If you're into debating, if you're into surfing, if you're into photography, if you're into, I don't know, clothing, music, we are artistic, man. We Atua. And there's no limit to the things that we can do. Don't put that on yourself. Hey, baby. Don't put that on yourself. Don't put limitations on yourself. Nah, man, we ain't got no limits, man. There's no limits out there, and that's why you just go and apply yourself. Don't apply for anybody else, what they have for you, because it's you. You can go over there and experience a bit, you know what I mean, to see if that's actually what you're into, but you are an Atua, hey, baby. Born to create, born to manifest. Just wanted to have a bit of a korero. You know the kaupapa. You know what we're into. All about feeding that wairua.
And not your ego.
Hey.